Today, in our Minecraft vlog, magjo-join tayo sa Weird Street Dad in the Minecraft.
Wait lang, antay mo lang kami dyan,
Yung papa nga, kasi papa nga ako.
Here, kasi wala naman tayong ikit.
Oy, kailangan lagyan din ng ganito. Lagyan na ng ganon.
What's that?
Ano? Split control. Wait lang, huwag ka umapak dyan.
Paano lalagyan ng split control? Settings. Where is that? Saan yun? Controller? Is it controller?
Guys, ano? Oy, sino umapak?
Yung villager.
Alright guys, ano tayo hard mode? Okay, hard mode. Alright, meron na ako. Guys, let's go. Okay na guys. Ito na tayo ng
Na-press mo na yung button? O lahat tayo magpe-press? Lahat tayo magpe-press? Asan na yung ano ko? Ano ba yan? Bigay mo sa akin.
Nakawala. Jack, ang pangit mo. Namatay ko din. Guys, let's go guys. Let's go. Kasi ganyan ka dito. Hindi ka na! Let's go.
Sino ba mauna?
Diyan siya rin.
Ano ba ba't yung ba ako hinihit?
Lagay mo natin si Sarili. Let's go. Go, Sarili.
Yan na.
Ikaw, Chelsea. Sabay.
Oh.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, that's the dad. Ayun yung dad. Ayun yung dad natin. Ayan, puti. Yung dad namin mukhang baliw. Our mom left us. Nabaliw kasi siya. Okay, here and here. Wait. Dad! We're here from school. Dad. Galing lang kaming school.
God, tumunod ko din.
Okay. Si Dad. Ano to, cabin? Dad, what's this? But there are only 3 rooms.
Let's go, guys.
Dad, where?
Wait. Ito na gulo. Wala pa pa sa dad room.
Wala daw papasok sa dad room.
Okay. Sige mo. Okay, dad lock the door. Bro, there's a shoes over the chest, I guess. Oo nga, meron. aakit ng taas. Sagot ko yung sabi ko. Kaya kasi sa ka lang. May subjective yung ako natin.
I'm done cleaning, Dad. I'm done cleaning, Dad. Tapos na ako.
No, that's a main thing. Ang gagawin mo, papaluto ka sa akin.
Where's the kitchen, Dad?
Ano, ito pala. Ito pala ba ako na?
Bawal ka na.
Oh, yan. Normal yun. Lola. Lola.
May basement, no?
Wala, dahil. Guys, nagtitigil ako ng mga room nyo. Bro, what the heck?
What happened?
Hindi ko din alam eh. Guys, saan kayo? Saron, Chechi, Saron.
Bakit di ako maka-join?
Bro, i-restart ko muna yung Minecraft ko.
Me too.
Wait lang.
5% na lang yan.
We'll go through my...
Alin?
Yan.
Hindi, 55.
Here.
Kasi yung mga kalat to.
Oh.
Wait lang guys ha.
I'll just wait and see.
Ano yan? Yung chinelas ng daddy mo, itong mga charger.
Okay, I'm now back. I don't know why the fuck.
Open yung meron.
Wala pa din po lang yun.
Wala akong ron.
Wala nga din eh. Pilitin mo lang. Be, huwag kang lumabas. Ang ganda na nasa bahay na.
Ay. Ano pa nangyari?
Wala pa din. Wala pa din si Ron.
Wait lang.
Let's turn off the
Wait lang guys, ito na yata yung Ron.
real light. Real.
Saan na yung
Eh,
Ron?
na, meron na ako.
Watch.
Oh.
I'm now joining in your server.
Hey, you cook now.
Ito na.
Yes, I will cook, Dad.
Bro, wait. Di pa ako.
Where's the kitchen?
Hindi. Ano yan? Magbabasa lang yan. Huwag ka test ng video. Alam mo. Hindi ka marunong mag-tablet ah. Bro, di ako maka-join. What the heck?
Our brother.
And now read that and study.
Okay.
Aha.
Dad, I'm cleaning the fucking room.
Hindi ka naman tumititi.
Dad,
Wow.
I'm hungry, Dad. I'm gonna place the trash over here, ha.
I'm cooking.
Sino tumaas? Mas mataas, no?
Ako tumaas kasi naglinis ako. Ayun yung objective eh. Dad.
I'm
Dad,
cooking beef.
Look at me, I'm so handsome, bro.
Is this beef? Oh.
Oh my God. Hey, what are you reading? Naka-record ka?
Yeah.
Let's go. Dad, I'm gonna go to the sea.
Bakit ang weird ni
Hey,
Dad?
huwag ka pagana-gana.
Here. Ito food, guys. Dito ko lalagay
I'm
sa chest
thinking.
na to, ah.
If you want to eat, eat. But if you don't want
Dad, can I ask something? What's in the cabin?
I thought it's secret.
Oh. Okay.
I'm reading book.
Nasa labas. Ayun, no, yung nakadilaw sa labas.
In the cabin.
Can I go there?
Bawal.
Dito yung food.
Ako yung
Dad.
dad eh.
Dad is slating na. It's late.
Now
Gonna
you
take
guys go in your room.
Wait,
Dad.
I will...
TV dito, be.
Come,
Okay.
guys.
I'm gonna go to the last room. That's my room.
Go to your room.
Sa gitna akong room, guys, ha. Here. Dito ba ako?
Baby, siya sa nasa. Okay, I'm here.
Okay.
Nandiyan siya. Sabi mo. Oh, why there's a mess?
You need to go because
Dad, there's a mess.
I'm sleeping.
Dad,
what?
there's a mess.
Matulog na kayo.
Okay. Di pa kami Ben, di ka matutulog ah.
Alam ko.
Okay, Dad, ang gana ko minute.
I hate
Wait,
this.
Chelsea. Ako na.
Lagay na niya.
This iron bars. Why does Dad so strict?
Okay na.
And he's so weird.
Dad is so weird, guys. Dad.
Now,
I'm gonna sleep.
sleep.
Okay, Dad.
Dad will check.
I-check mo yung room namin ah. I-check mo na yung room namin. What is this shit room?
Wala na.
Okay, oo.
I can see the door.
Object, check the room.
Huwag niyo kasi ako tingnan.
Don't.
Bro, I'm sleeping.
Oh, Dad is here.
Let's go to the phone shop.
Oh my God!
Please, Dad, sleep.
Baka naman namatay ni tablet yung lumapot. Basada may pintuan ha. Yan sarado mo ba?
Ay, yung bedroom.
Oh my God!
Nakita ko si Dad.
Oy, ilaw niyo yung brightness ng ano. Ng...
Super low.
Sa Minecraft kasi. Ay yo, why am I floating?
Sa Minecraft.
Okay. Now go to the seat. See. Just watch some TV. Ito, ilaw niyo yung brightness dito. Click there. Dito, saan yun?
Kita ko na yun.
Settings.
Saan yung brightness?
Saan yun?
Ito.
Sa global
Video.
resources o
Video.
video. Right.
Ben, I can see. Ano ba yan? I-ano ko lang yung brightness nito. Saka yung ano, bottom size. Ah,
Ba't ako gising? Ano punta ka?
Wait.
Hindi.
Yung button size i-large.
hindi!
Si-check ulit yan.
Nalaw na yun. Oh no, yun. Oh no.
Why that's so scary and at the same time so weird?
Sure sleeping.
Matulog ka na daw, Bek.
I'm gonna sleep.
Sana matulog na si Dad.
But wait a second. What's that sound?
Oh my God!
What is here?
Be, pumunta na sa kwarto mo. Oh my God, Chelsea, so close as hell!
Huwag kayo magpanik kasi
Okay, he's sleeping now. Let's make escape, I guess. Guys! Be, napakaimbing na tulog niya na. Guys, wake up! Guys, let's wait. Come on. No, let's go to my room. Let's hide on my secret. Here, guys. Here, let's hide. What the fuck is she? Nasaan ka, be? Ba't siya bumaba?
Asan ba siya?
Nataas. No, where is she? Come here.
in our room. Oh, in our brother's room.
Guys, this is the CCTV footage. Hindi mo na kay Chelsea. Ano ba? This is the CCTV
We will
footage.
be
and-
so...
Gising to, Ate.
Oh my God, he's...
Wait,
Just
no.
wait! Don't go out!
Ooh!
Let's hide. Crouch!
Why Chloe Craft's room is open and
Pwede mo
photograph
makita yung secret room namin.
is missing. Why all of them is missing?
Pwede ka po. You will search the house. Wait. Ilolow yung brightness mo, be. Para lahat tayo maganda experience. Yung brightness natin lahat low.
Dad is there.
Okay.
Even
Go
our
to
dad
the
doesn't
sun.
have a name.
Okay, let's go. Let's get out of here. Guys, this is...
I can't get down.
Famous daw na ito. Magawa.
Guys, we need to crowd. And oh! Guys, search your rooms! Hey, check your room.
Hala, patay na
Is
yung ilaw
there
sa
a
baba.
flashlight?
Guys, patay na yung ilaw sa baba.
Matutulog na tayo.
No, guys, hindi ko na makita yung kwarto nito.
There's nothing in the chest.
Guys, ayun na. Tagal ko.
There's just some torch. But that's not a...
Guys, what's in your chest? Flashlight? Can I have some? Yeah, I got
Yeah.
some. Hey, take some flashlight over there.
In my room, Powycraft. In the second chest.
Okay, I'm gonna let's see.
Ooh.
Be careful, Dad is sleeping.
Damn.
Oh, he's awake. He's awake! Run to our ticket room.
I sleep.
Patay, wala ako.
You close the door?
Dan.
Oh,
Why
no.
are you wake up, Powycraft?
Just say, you gonna pee.
I'm just gonna pee.
Okay. You let her.
Okay. Sleep now, okay?
That was so close.
That door is so down. So we get a flashlight. In the secret room.
Is Dad sleeping?
Yeah.
Dan.
Oh my God, he's fucking awake.
Sleep, Powycraft.
Loud sounds. Guys, nasa room ko ulit.
Ayan, sa pinakaunahan.
Powycraft, why are you still? I'm gonna sleep now.
Kasi matulog ka na, busy.
Dan.
Oh, hell no. Why he's still awake?
I'm sleeping.
Why Dad's like that? Bakit ganun?
Dad, come on, sleep, please.
Matulog na yan ng mahimbing. Please naman, matulog ng mahimbing si Dad.
I'm gonna take the flashlight.
I'm gonna wait now.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's move.
Ang hirap na may gento sa POV eh.
Kailan kayo ba?
Oh, the dad is on the TV. Ay, wait. Di ba? Hindi ka lilingon agad. Let's investigate. Be quiet, guys. Be quiet.
Mag-groups kayo. Kahit lang kayo ah.
He's watching. It's morning. He will call us. Just go to our rooms. Go to our rooms.
Powycraft!
Hindi pa, be. Kanya pa.
Kunyari, nag-aayos lang ako sa room ko.
No, you call us. You will go upstairs.
Hana.
Wala, tulog-agad ako.
You will call us.
3 of you, get out in your room.
Why so early?
It's just sunset.
I'm gonna hide this.
I mean, morning.
Cook now. Alis.
There's a food there, Dad.
Guys, you like to
There's a
Let's go.
food here.
Let's go
close your
downstairs.
door.
And I'm not hungry.
Dad, I need to study. Dad,
Dad,
can I ask you something, a question?
What?
What are you hiding from the cabin
Dad,
outside?
Dad, bakit po ba nyo kami kinukulong dito sa bahay?
Go away, I'm gonna go outside. Clean the house.
Ganda magiging killer yun. May kinakausap sa tapos na bus. Hindi ko kilala ko sino.
Is our brother still here? Kuya, namatay na yung ano mo, screen mo. Baka mag-leave ka.
Ayan, kinakausap. Tapos din ka daw mag-green. Ay.
Oh my God.
Guys, it's...
I'm gonna clean my room, okay?
Kikil ko kayo?
Oo. Kaya kami magtatay.
I'm cleaning my room.
Guys, that is so weird. Di mo daw ako nakita. I'm hiding. Guys, hide! I saw Dad!
Please? What the fuck?
Oh, there's a chest! I got the cabin key!
Oh my God, Dad is there!
Uy, nakahide na ako, guys.
Now we're hiding.
Babe, please!
Oh, no! It's okay. You can wait. Ano lang, ganyan ka lang. Go, respond. Wala na. Ay na, expectate ka na.
Lahat yun.
Pwede mo mabitik ka. Spectate ka lang. Spectate.
Oh my God.
She's so
What are these?
Be, hindi mo na pwede magtaya.
Let's just see the full house. And timers yan si Chelsea, ah.
I got a book! Oh my God! Respectate mo ako, susundan mo lang ako. Joke lang. This book says sleep now. Okay. Pwede mo ito makikita. Kunyari, ano na ito ako.
Hey!
Dad! Let me see! Stay away from Bindiga! Bindiga bla? Bindiga? Okay, I'm hiding. You can see. Wait guys, wait. Wait, there. Sila Okay, Chixie, tulong mo na ako. Mamaya na yung those things. Help me. I got in the closet. Oh my God. Chixie. I need. So, hi. Ngayon, ako yun lang hinahanti, bebe.
Yes. Kasi si Chelsea di gumagalaw.
No way.
How would it get to 2,000? What's even here? Oh, this one.
Oh, she left the game. But I need to skip this so they can.
Bro!
Chelsea, open mo yung tablet. Mag-join ka ulit. Help me to escape. Chelsea, magpahabol ka sa tatay, ha? Mag-escape
Bro.
tayo. We...
Bro, you're so dumb.
Ay.
Ko natin control ito.
Ray, ikaw na mag-control ng dad.
was just...
Outfit na.
AFK ka na. Control it, man. Chelsea?
You! Faster!
Ano daw? Ano faster?
Why you are going to sleep?
Ano bang faster?
Tumakbo ka na, tumakbo ka na. Parang...
Close the door.
Dad! Takbo, Chelsea! Ang gala!
Saan? Wait, yung ginagawa dyan. Ouch, God.
No way! She's gonna die! Oh! Expectate ka na lang, Chelsea. Ako na lang hinahanap ng tatay.
Paano ako?
Doon ka na lang din sa pwesto ko, malapit doon.
Expectate ka na lang.
Wait,
Ako na lang
Namatay
buhay.
kasi ako eh.
Okay, I got the pickaxe.
Hindi daw, wala na.
Dad, what the fuck?
Kuya, mag-escape ka.
Okay. Oh, I got you, bro. I got you, homie.
Where is him?
He's on your ass.
Na-honor ako. Honor ako.
Dito, sa tabi ko, sa tabi ko. Yan, crouch.
You gotta search the cabin.
I'm not dumb, son.
I'm low. Place it. Okay, I'm asleep. Fuck. Fuck. Run for my life.
No one escaped. You're so dumb, son.
I'm gonna buy Robux and I can respond.
I slain all of you.
Eto, nag-Robux ulit ako. Na-revive ulit ako.
Son, no going out.
Get away! What the fuck?
You can't kill me.
Guys, I'm gonna revive one of you. I'm gonna revive Chelsea. Chelsea, you revive. Help me escape.
Labay na ako. Pinapapasok na tayo ng mami.
Yeah. Na-revive ka na. Asan yung mga gamit ko? Ba't mo naman kinuha,
You're so
Ria?
dumb.
Ba't mo naman kinuha? Itago mo yun sa chest.
Tatago ko, bawal tumingin.
Chelsea, I'm gonna revive you again.
Nasaan ka ba?
Ang baba ng brightness, nakakainis.
Pinapay kasi ako ni Ate Yaki.
Okay, you revive. Na-revive ka na.
Sige. Wala natin yung dad. Anong gagawin ko?
Hide. Go on, hide.
Saan ako mag-hide?
Anywhere, just hide. Or run.
Kahit na lang ako. Yung makakita ako ng dad.
Nah, bro.
What are you doing? Hindi naman ako makalabas sa kwarto ko.
Ako nasa bahay na ako.
Re-get mga ulit. Gabi na naman. Oh,
Oh my God.
spectate na naman si Lia. Oh my God, bro. Wait lang, Ria. Naglalag ako.
Guys, when we go in swimming, 7:30 aalis.
Okay. Chelsea, tulungan mo ako.
Saan si Tia? Nag-revive ba siya?
I'm fighting with Dad, bro. Let's run, Chelsea. Nandiyan yung tatay. Oh,
You can find your thing. Find your things.
yeah, I got things.
Son.
I need this.
Dad is here.
Guys, we need to find the things. I got
That's
it.
so
I
pretty.
got flashlights again. We need to find the golden axe and pickaxe so we can speed faster.
Guys, may lake dito. Kunin ko ba?
Yes, they can take anything.
My daughter.
Um,
I killed my own daughter.
yeah, he's so proud of his dumbness.
Patay.
And I'll kill another daughter
Okay, run! Let's go!
later.
Hey, guy! Hey. We need to hide. No, we
I
can't
can
hide.
see you.
We can't hide. Because he...
What's up, Pat?
Where's my...
Are you finding your gold pickaxe?
Where the fuck is he?
Well, you can see it.
Okay, I'm gonna run. He's gonna chase him. Hey!
I'm not gonna chase you. I'm not dumb, son.
Are you sure? Huh? Oh, I'll be Chelsea.
And you won't have Robux anymore.
Hey, help me to get that chest over there. That's my loot, I swear. Okay?
No, I spread all over your loot.
Dapat habulin mo kami, bawal yan. Bawal yan.
Wala na, patakot.
Madaya yan. That's cheating, bro. I guess it's over here. Oh,
You
okay.
can find it anywhere. Maybe in the cabin also.
I need to hide.
Maybe in the stock room.
What is this? What's in the stock room?
You're deaf. I said stock room.
No way. I'm gonna run before my last Robux. Please don't die.
Wala nga matigil ako doon.
I've
Okay,
already
I will
told
you,
you.
Niga. Where's the fucking stock room? Where is it? There's no stock room here, Dad. You're so dumb.
I'm
Dad
not dumb.
took the fucking key.
No.
Dad, come on, Dad. I know you are good. Oh, fuck.
No.
Dad, bawal yan. That's cheating. That's cheating, bro. You are guiding the chest.
Get your things before you get this one.
I get all my things, you stupid spoiled brat.
I'm not getting
I'm not.
Okay, he's here. Run for your life.
You will not survive
I'm gonna
anymore.
respawn again. Okay, revive.
You don't have Robux now, son.
I got so many because I'm so rich.
And
Thank you, Kuya.
this daughter,
Hey, let's team up.
the
to kill
most
those.
hated daughter I ever had. Ooh!
Dumb. I got all my things, Chelsea. We need to escape, Chelsea.
Hindi na makaka-escape.
Let's run. Run, he will chase us. Chelsea, I died.
You won't survive now.
I died.
Ugh! It's in the downstairs.
I died.
I'm gonna revive you again for the last time.
Marami kong Robux.
I got everything.
Powycraft.
I will
The second hatest daughter.
Oh shit, you're
And
so
the
dumb.
hatest son.
I did.
You can't ever.
I hate this stat. I hate this stat, bro. Where's my loot? You take it again?
No, I didn't took it.
No one.
It's for
Don't take
you.
my loot, you dumb. Take it. That's why I'm always reviving you.
Patay. Hindi ko dad.
Hate that she.
Guys, may bibigay siya sa akin natin.
It's a Haybell, you shitty. Get out of here, you monster. Run. Ay. He's a fucking killer. What the fuck?
I'm not your dad. You always know this.
Run.
This is your last time. No reviving.
Hindi mo
You
makikita.
piece of
Bawal
shit.
ko.
You piece of shit. And I'll hide your things again. Shit.
Thank you for the last.
Last na Robux mo yan?
Hindi pa. I'm gonna revive you.
Kung last na
Okay, I revive you. I revive you.
Robux.
Where's my loot? Where's my loot?
Gusto siya ko tabi ng kapit natin.
Word.
Okay, part 2.
Good head.
Where's that? Where them? Where
Ay, na naman
them?
siya.
You're here again. And that's your last Robux, son.
Dumb.
I'm not dumb.
Dumb. Little dad. Oh, we can fire revive you. This shit is dead. Okay. You can kill us. You are a monster. You. Okay, I got the door.
Remember you using my tablet.
I got
Remember you using my tablet.
power cap. Oh, he break through?
Hindi siya pumasok.
Ay, hindi siya nakapasok.
Hindi siya pumasok.
Asan siya? Nanira siya ng wall? Ah, dumb bat. Dumb.
Dumbies.
You can.
Dumpers. Dumpers.
You can.
Kuya, magpapagod.
Oh, ouch, ouch, his hurts.
Sahada.
Ba't di mo na lang kaya i-break yan?
Laging stuck ng hito.
Alam mo, ba't hindi mo na lang i-break?
Kuya,
I-break mo yan, yung nigga.
oh shit.
Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, I got the stick so we can PvP
Kaya
him.
hindi ko yung dad.
Chelsea, come here. Chelsea, dito ka. Chelsea, Bo, umalis ka dyan, Bo. Halika dito. Chelsea, take in the chest. Kuha ka sa chest ng stick dito. Dito sa chest ako. Kuha ka dyan ng stick and we can kill that shit in there.
Ayan, stick.
Okay, I'm gonna break this so he can
Ba't mo
chase us.
sinirate? Baliw ka ba?
Okay, he's here. Run. Run for your lives.
Patay, kuya, patay.
Tayo.
Patay, patay.
Dito ka, Chelsea. Yan. Lock.
Puti ka, pumusok.
I won't chase you.
Okay. He. Nah, bro, I hate this dad anymore.
Wow, the prettiest sunset.
Ugly sunset like you.
Dumb dad. I'm gonna break through.
Kailangan
I'm not dumb, son.
Oh my god.
I already told you I'm not dumb. You bitch.
Okay, I revive you again. I revive you now. I take your stick, bro.
yung stick. Gusto ko
Kinuha.
Pumuntak ko na. Baka makaano pa siya.
Okay, run. Let's fight him. Let's fight him, bro. Never mind them. I'm gonna hide this look.
That is so dumb. Your dad is so dumb.
Let's fight him.
Wala ka akong stick. Baliw ka ba? Kuya, kumuha ka ng
I took the stick. Run, Chelsea. He. Again, run for your life, Chelsea. Okay, he is in. Run. What the fuck? Okay,
You're
everybody,
all
run.
dumb.
Come on, Dad, fight me.
Are you already dumb? Because you're not going in school.
Nakalimbang mo, patay.
I'm gonna go to school, yun, nigga.
Sige.
Goodbye, Dad. You can chase me when I'm outside. You are a racist. Chelsea, let's run, Chelsea. Come on. No, don't leave me alone. Chelsea, I'm waiting you in the car and this shitty dad is still chasing me.
I'm not dumb.
Bawal may break yan. He's riding in the car. Bye, Dad. Let's go, Chelsea. Let's go. Let's slide in our car. Let's go in. Ride. Run, go.
I'm so dumb. That way is not the way.
Okay, he's chasing us. Oh my god, that way is not the way. Takbo, Chelsea. Hindi yan yung way, tanga. Takbo.
Patay, nasa na tayo?
Guys, I'm gonna take the minecart and we will run. Kasi place it over here. So we can go. Bye-bye. Why the dad is there? No way. I think this is the ending. No, you're dumb. You're dumb.
It's not the ending.
Okay. Help me! Run, Chelsea, run. Run for your lives. O, pamikot ako sa photo.
Punta ka sa house.
Arinola, ha?
Tapos kuya, at yakin.
Bye. Bye-bye. Bye, Dad. You're so
He's
weird.
coming toward me.
Okay, okay. I'm up. I'm in a up.
Lalakad ba ako?
I can see the dad. Where is he?
Saan ka? Ito ako. Ayun yung dado.
He gave you the sword, bro.
Wala ang dam.
Why? Oh, the dad is dead. I think this is
I'll let you know.
Sumabi sa kanya yung
That's the end. That's the end.
That's the end.
That's the end.
That's the end. That's it. Is that the end?
Yes, you black.
I'm not black. I'm so white. Upload it on Whitey, nigga.
Yes, that's the end. The dad doesn't want you now. Because you're a black.
Okay, that's the hard mode.
The hard mode is so easy, bro.
Okay,
Because I died.
guys.
Okay.
Guys. Teka, guys. Was ka sa recording?
Yeah.
Guys, I need to stop it. I'm so hungry.
What's this?
Hi po, can I answer? Pero kuya, nag-dress na ako dito.
Okay, guys, that's the end. Upload it on Whitey.
The dad is still killing polycrops. Okay, bye.
Whitey's dead. Alright. Let's go. 10. Left ka na, Chelsea.